Hi! In front of me is REALME Narzo 50 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this Realme. You need to begin by opening Clock app. Now select Allow in the pop-up and tap on Alarm section at the bottom left corner if it's not already on. To create your alarm, tap on this button. Now set up an hour and choose Ring Once or Custom. If you decide to tap on Custom, you can pick days of the week, in my case Mondays and Wednesdays. Now click on Alarm Name to label your alarm however you want to. After that, you can tap on Ringtone and Vibration, then select Allow again. Over here you have a couple of options. You can set up Weather Adaptive as your ringtone. Go back. Select one of those custom options like Spotify or on this device to pick music from your smartphone, or just tap on one of those system ringtones like funk. Whatever you do, remember to tap on the back button. You can also select Vibration section and click on the best option for your alarm. Disable vibration completely by choosing No Vibration. Synchronize them with ringtone by tapping on this option at the top. Or pick one of those vibration patterns, like for example clock swing. Then click on the back button twice. Finally, hit snooze and pick how many minutes it will take and how many times it will repeat. If you want to, you can always disable this option completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. You can switch it back on the same way. Finally, save your alarm by hitting this check mark at the top right corner of it. As you can see, mine was successfully created. You can always turn it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it, then selecting the best option for you. If you want to switch it back on, click on the same, now gray switcher. If you want to make some changes in your alarm, click on it, make them and save them by choosing this check mark again. You can also discard them by clicking on X instead. If you wish to get rid of your alarm, just hold it and tap on Delete at the bottom. You can also adjust more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, hitting Settings under Edit and managing all of them however you wish to, like ring duration. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!